What is going on, guys? And welcome back to my channel. Now, it's been a while, I'm not gonna lie. It has been a very long while. But I do have something exciting to share with you guys and actually show you. So I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, to do an exhaust swap on my Jeep. I just haven't really had the time or the interest to do it as of yet. But I did order my exhaust and it finally arrived. I just picked it up and I'm so excited to do it. So yeah, come along with me and I will show you guys how to do it. Very quick, very easy, and it will not be a lengthy video because I want you guys to be able to do these exhaust swaps super quick and not have to search the whole video on how to do it. So come along with me and let's do my exhaust. All right, here it is. This is my Borla Atak. Now this is the very typical exhaust to put on a Jeep. It's loud, it's obnoxious, but I'm so excited to put it on. So yeah, I just picked it up and let's open it up and I can show you guys what's in it. All right, so the first step you're gonna do is you wanna take off this rear subframe and the splash shield. So you have two 16 millimeter bolts right here for this one. You have four 16 millimeter bolts here. And then for the plastic splash shield, you have 4 13 millimeter bolts holding this on. So remove both of those things and that'll be step one. Another thing that'll really help you is this little plastic panel here. It'll be easy enough for you to just take off these two 10 mil bolts. And then these little plastic fasteners, it just gets it out of your way so that you don't even have to think about something, being in your way. So to make your life easier, spray down the hangers so that it's easier to slip off when you're removing the exhaust. So there's two here on either side of the muffler. There's one right there and one right there. And there's one more exhaust hanger tucked in on the back, the passenger rear. Okay, so once the main exhaust is removed, what you want to do is you want to lay out the orientation of the exhaust on the floor so you guys can have an idea of what it's going to look like as you assemble it. So what you want to do is you're going to want to put it on piece by piece. Don't assemble the whole thing all together. You're going to put it on section by section and then move your way from the front to the back. All right, so I got each exhaust on. Now it's loose. These clamps are not tightened on at all, but this is how it should look from everything that you got. So here's a comparison video of what my exhaust used to sound like. This. And now it sounds like this. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I hope you enjoyed the video of my Borla exhaust on my Jeep SRT. I hope it was helpful. Yes, it was a bit longer than I was hoping. I couldn't really shorten the videos too much, but I love your support. I love you guys, and as always, we'll catch you next time.